Hi, myself Vishwa. We are in Novotel Goa Shrimp Resort at Juno Bar now. And we're going to try cocktail, which is mojito. It's not just a mojito. Mojito always has a base of lemon and mint. It does also have a lemon and mint, but it is more flavored. It is Goa's best mangoes mojito flavors. First, all we need is mango pulps, and mint, lime, and sugar. And it has to be muddled, crushed ice, lemonade, good to go. Let's do it. Some mint and lemon chunks and sugar. And it has to be muddled. After muddling, we're going to add some fruit pulp. It's just mango fruit pulp. And some crushed ice on it. And of course, there is no mojito without rum, a large rum. And a lemonade. It has to be stirred. And this is the Mango Mojito. Now we're going to start with Novotel Punch, which is a signature mocktail of all the Novotels.
तस्कर किचन में आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज मैं आपको एक रेसिपी बता रहा हूं भरवान बाटी।
Today we'll teach you all how to make chicken kati rolls, which are really yummy and delicious.